Meron muna tayong game plan.
So, how the Philippines also?
Yeah, it's also windy here. Oh, the electricity just cut off.
What are we gonna do?
Go outside. It's too hot. Yes.
Oh, what's that? I think that's the wind turbine, solar panel, and the hydro turbine.
Do you want your electricity?
Yes.
Then go pick up those things.
For the wind turbine, place it in an open ground and where the wind is strong in order to make the propeller rotate, of course. Next, for our solar panel, place it directly in the sunlight to convert it into electricity. Lastly, for our hydro turbine, look for a good water source to make the propeller rotate also. And now we wait.
The electricity's back.
Yeah.
Disclaimer, the prototypes are still in progress. And that's all. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Isip mo ba?
Ma'am, sir,